How to buy connect on Upwork. Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how you can buy connect on Upwork. On Upwork you can easily buy your connect, and I will be showing you how you can do so in this video. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account. Once you're logged in and you can see all of the jobs displayed, the next step is move to the right side of the screen. Now by the right side of the screen you can see your profile. You can see promote with ads, and then by the time you scroll down you can see the option connect, right? So you can just go ahead and click on it. But if you don't have this box here, you can just move to the top right corner of the screen and then you can click on your profile icon. Once you've done that, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will take it to the settings page. Before you enter the settings page, you'll be asked to enter in your password so as to verify if you're truly the one. Once you've done that and you're brought to the settings page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see other options such as billing and payments, membership and connect, contact info, tax information, etc. So just go ahead and click on membership and connect. Now once you click on membership and connect, you'll be brought to the membership and connect page where you can change your plan as a freelancer basic, and then you can see current billing cycle, and then you can now see buy connect, right? So you can just go ahead and click on it that way. Now once you click on buy connect, you'll be redirected to another page where you'd see buy connect, and then your available connects here. Select the amounts to buy. You can use promo code if you want to, and then once you've done inputting all of these details, click on buy connect, and from there follow your screen instructions and your connect would be bought. So this is basically how you can buy connect on Upwork. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.